Hi guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very quick video on this new recipe that I don't even want to say created, but I just thought of it in my head yesterday and it was so good and delicious, so I just wanted to share it with you. It is going to be a matcha protein cinnamon waffle. I had this yesterday. I don't know what, when I woke up, inspired me to make this. I love matcha. I've been on the hunt for the perfect at-home matcha for a very long time. Still haven't found anything that compares to Starbucks. So far that is my favorite type of matcha, and it's just filled with sugar. So if you have your favorite type of matcha, please list it down below so that I can purchase it. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by using our little waffle maker here. So I just plugged it in, and let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some oil. I use avocado or olive, so that's to spray, and then some jade leaf matcha. Sorry, my husband came home and the dogs get a little wild. Okay, so this is the matcha I'm gonna use specifically for this recipe. This is jade leaf. You can find this at Target. This is specifically the one with the sugar. I have the other one. I don't like it, to be honest. It's this one, it's the same brand, but this tastes very, I think, fishy to me. I don't know. I've tried to like it because there's no sugar in this one, but I can't do it. So I've also bought this matcha, but this matcha, I don't know. It's still, I got it at Erewhon, but it's still not like my favorite. And I still don't know how I feel about monk fruit or erythritol. But anyway, then you're gonna get some ground cinnamon. And then this is Kodiak pancake mix. It is the protein one, and it is buttermilk. So I don't have the box because I threw it away since I bought it at Walmart, and it's really the big box. Oh, and then you need a cup. So to be honest, since I used to make like a full, whatever the box said for measurements, but it is just way too much for a single waffle. So I'll kind of show you how I kind of guesstimate. I'm gonna put probably like 1/3 to 1/4 of a cup of water. So the reason why I say it's hard to guesstimate is because the waffle, if you put too much waffle mix on the waffle maker, it just overflows and explodes. And I haven't found the right combination yet where it doesn't explode on me every single time, especially since I'm not actively putting the same amount every time. I'm putting a decent amount of cinnamon in there. And then just 1 teaspoon. I'm not getting out my measuring spoons for this. I'm literally just using this teaspoon. And not a heaping amount, literally just enough. And then with the waffle mix, I kind of just, you can't see what I'm doing. I'll lower you down. Boop. Sorry about that noise. Okay, I kind of just add a little and then mix. So it's still a little watery. I don't like watery mixture, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'll show you my thickness consistency. Okay. So I like it pretty thick, and as you can see, there's not that much. It's literally to here. So the thicker it is and the least amount you have, hopefully for the one waffle, you won't explode. Also, so this is the avocado oil we have. I don't care really too much for this brand just because the sprayer kind of sucks. Oh, I did it today. Okay, usually just blows all this oil everywhere. All right, and then we're gonna pour it on. I like to start in the middle. All right, y'all, don't be fooled by this because the moment I put this down, it starts expanding and you can see it on the sides. What I like about this waffle maker, I can't remember if I got this at Walmart or I'm sorry, I can't remember if I got it at Target or Amazon. It's Cuisine Art, but I like this one because it just turns green when it's ready. And then I have mine set to like level 4 or 5. And then as soon as it's done, pop it out. I'm gonna make another mixture because I asked my husband if he would like to try it, and he said yes. And there's very few things that I can make for him because we have 2 different diets since he's vegetarian. So, all right, the lightest green already, but I want to just make it a little toastier, so I'm gonna just leave it in there a little longer. These are so simple, so quick, so easy to make. It's very exciting to me to make waffles. Seriously, buying a waffle maker was like the best idea I ever had. Okay, I opened it and it got stuck on the top. All right, I switched from syrup to maple syrup, like regular syrup from the store, to maple syrup. So I just drizzle a little bit on. I used to have a huge sweet tooth, and I would just like drown my waffle in syrup. So I'm trying to learn self-control and not do that. And then I'm just gonna get banana and cut up a few pieces. Off. Sorry, that steam's coming from the other waffle. This is what it looks like. I love this waffle. If you guys have kids, I think it's like kind of what reminds me, I don't know why, of like Shrek, just because it's kind of green. So maybe you can call it the Shrek waffle, but I love it. So good. Let me know if you try it.